about this one? Fix the lighthouse. Lighthouse. Fix the lighthouse. Okay, next. Go, that's right. Next one. This one. Look. Fix mo here. That's right. Then get and then put. Yan. Lighthouse. Next. Ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Fix the wheel. Do not remove na po yan. Do not remove po. No. Next, fix the ice cream truck. Ice cream.
No!
Uh-oh, like this. Okay, next. Driver. Oh, look mo, look. Again. Like this, listen. Okay, ice cream truck. Next, fire truck. How about the fire truck? Fix the fire truck. Okay? Very good. Finish. How about the frog? It's a frog. There you go, frog. It's the frog. Oh, look, my eyes. Oh no, where is it? Eyes. Eyes. Look, oh. Where's the half of the eyes? Oh, look, eyes. Eyes. Oh, sometimes, ayan. Okay, next. No, like this, Hazen. Look mo. Here, Hazen. Right here, oh. Like this. Yan. Ayusin mo po. Okay, try again po. Try again. Here, go, put. Slowly. Okay, very good. Next, school bus. School bus. School bus. Like this, Hayden. Okay, next, beach van. Beach van. Sige, go, you can do it. Sige po. Look mo. Up mo. Up. Up. Good. Okay, next. How about here? Go, Hazen. There you go. Next one. Red ladybug. Red ladybug. Okay, next. Like this, uh-oh. Like this. Go, put. Shoot. Shoot mo. Okay, ladybug. Next, butterfly. Butterfly. Very good. Next one, how about the car? Car. 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 Wheels. Let's say wheels. Wheels. Put mo na yung wheels. Here. Wheels. This one. Look, oh. Look. Yan. Okay, next. Okay, very good. Next. Boat. How about the boat? Boat. Go. Last one, boat. Oh, look, oh. Nasa na yung boat natin? Oh, look, like this. Wait. Ayun siya, teacher. Okay, oh, here you go. Go here. Like this. Like this. Okay, next. Last one. We're going to remove na. Last one na. Last one. Put. Last one. Okay, very good. Both. High five, teacher. Good job. Jump on the ball. Come here. Follow teacher. Come here. Come here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, yeah. Go. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, last one, 20. Okay, let's go down. Good job, ate. Oh, go back to your seat na. Go back to your seat. Waiting hands, yes. Okay, oh, look at this one, okay? Where is it? Watch mo po, match, where? Very good, how about this one? Oh no! Oh no, try again. Wait, take the picture. Try again, where is it? Look mo po. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Which one? Oh, wait. Tingnan mo po, saan po? Here. Next, how about this? Okay, next one. Uh-oh. Okay, very good. Next. Good job. Next. Nice. Next one. Where? Uh-oh. Sige po, look around. No. Try again. No. Sige, look mo. Look at the hole. Oh, yun. Very good. Next one. No. No, look, oh. No. Again, try again this one. Where is it? This one. Where? Where is it? Yun. Next one. Where? Okay, very good. Last. Good job. High five. Nice one. Next, follow this pattern. Okay, oh, look at this one. Follow the patterns and the shapes. Okay? Here you go. That's the first one. Look. Oh, no. What shape is this? Hazel, you look at your pattern. What's the first one? Look. What is this? Oh, no. What is this? What shape is this? Purple? Okay, oh, you put here. Purple. Shoot. Purple. Triangle. Next to purple triangle, what is this? Oh, look at your pattern. Hazel, follow your pattern. Wait, look at this one. What is this? Star. Where's the star? Star, listen to me. Listen, look at your pattern. What shape is this? Star. Where's the star? Okay, oh, shoot. Here. Next, oh, look mo muna. What shape is this? Pentagon. Oh, where? Look, oh, no. Again, where do you put the pentagon? Pentagon. Okay, next, look. Square. Where's the square? Shoot square. Shoot square. Like this. Hold. Shoot square. No, look at your pattern first. Look at your pattern first. Look, point your finger. What is this? Look. Oval. Where's the oval? Oval. Oh, listen. Oval. Hazen, oval. Good. Shoot mo. Hold mo properly. Hold it properly. Go. Okay, next. Look mo muna. What is this? Flower. Red flower. Shoot. Shoot. No. Saan? Okay, next. What is this? Rectangle. Where's the rectangle? Okay, here na tayo. Next, look. Circle. Circle sign. Shoot. Okay, next. Half circle. Go, half circle. Where is it? Half circle. Okay, next. Look at your pattern first. What is this? Heart. Saan na tayo? Dito na po tayo. Okay, next. What is this? Oh, look. Trapezoid. Trapezoid first. Next shape, diamond. Okay, very good. High five, teacher. Good job. Waiting hands. Look at this one. Put it back, okay? Okay, here you go. Put back, put back. Spin mo daw. Put it back like this. Oh, look, oh. Spin, spin. Put it back. Sige, kaya mo yan. Sige, more, more. Look mo, more. Careful. Careful. Wait, get it, teacher. Oh, do it again. Go. Go, spin. Yan, very good. Next, hexagon. Go. Sige, go. Look at your work. Finish. Finish mo muna po. Go. Sige, go, go. Look mo. Hazen, look at your work, Hazen. Finish, finish, finish. Hazen, look. Okay, next. Triangle. Uh-oh. Wait, wait. Here you go, here you go. Finish it, finish, finish. Go. Finish. More, more, more. Finish. Okay, next. Cross. Very good. Triangle. Square. More. Okay, square. Go, 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 square. Look. Go, Hazen. Look at your work. Look at your work. Look, oh. This one. Finish na po yan. Yan na po. Go, more, more. Look, look. More. Look, look more. Okay, next. Cross. Very good. Hexagon. Go. Go, go, go. Like this. Look mo. Listen. Go. Spin. Next. Cross. Go. Okay, next. Hexagon. Next. Wait. Look at your work. Look, oh. Not finished yet. Go, go, go. Oh, fix mo muna. Oh. Okay, next. Triangle. Finish. Next. Square. Last one. Go. Last one. Okay, high five, teacher. Okay, job.